In this Argos support video, we will show you how to remove a blockage from a vacuum hose. Please note, you should take care when cleaning the hose and refer to your user manual if the hose cannot be detached. To remove a blockage, you will need a broom handle or something similar. Avoid using any sharp objects which may cause damage. Firstly, turn off and unplug the vacuum. Then, detach the hose from the vacuum cleaner. Shake the hose to dislodge any loose debris. Next, carefully push a broom handle or something similar into the vacuum hose. Push this through to dislodge the blockage. You could also try a hooked piece of metal, such as a coat hanger, to help pull through any debris stuck inside. Shake the hose once more to remove any blockages. We recommend regularly checking and cleaning the hose to prevent blockages from forming and reducing the vacuum's performance. For more help and support, please visit argos-support.co.uk.